eBay versus Etsy, which is the better e-commerce platform. Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to be telling you the difference between Etsy and eBay. So firstly, we're going to start off with Etsy. So firstly, I want you to come on to etsy.com, and once you come on to etsy.com, you will be able to see this particular dashboard in front of you. Now, before I go into the details, firstly, I'm going to tell you the difference between Etsy and eBay. So if you're a brand or if you want to sell products under that brand, well then Etsy is going to be the perfect option for you. Why? Because Etsy focuses on more quality rather than quantity. So basically you can't sell used items, secondhand stuff, or just basically in general anything that is used you cannot sell on Etsy. If you want to sell on Etsy, you have to sell as a brand. There is no other way around it. Whereas on eBay, you can basically sell anything. If you see a glass in your kitchen, you can sell that on eBay. You can literally sell anything that you think on eBay, whether it is used or brand new, it doesn't matter. So that is basically eBay and Etsy. Now we're gonna start off with Etsy. So firstly, when you come onto Etsy, over here at the top, you can see all the different categories and subcategories of products that you can sell. So you can sell all of these subcategories. Like all these categories. Basically, there are just so many options that you can basically sell on Etsy. Whereas on eBay, you have a whole lot more options. But the thing is, eBay literally lets you sell anything that you want. So that's why there is a lot more competition over here. So when you come onto Etsy, click in the top right and click on sign in. After that, sign in either with Google, Facebook, Apple, or with a brand new account. And once you do that, I'm going to catch you guys in just a second. So once you have signed up successfully, you will be able to see this particular dashboard in front of you. Now over here, you can basically see all the different features and what they are doing with their particular website. And then now if you wanted to basically sell on Etsy, you can simply scroll down and click on sell on Etsy. Now once you click on sell on Etsy, that is going to take you over to this particular dashboard. Now from over here, you can see that you can list your first item for just $0.20 and you only pay the transaction, the payment processing, and the offsite advertising fee when you make a sale. You also have powerful tools, support, and education. And then also after that, you have all these different fees, transaction fees, offsite advertisement fee. So basically there are many options that you can explore. You can also explore your business anywhere, and you also have promotional tools that drive traffic. You can accept payments seamlessly, create invoices. All of that is handled by Etsy. Then you have analytics to improve your sales as well. You can also choose your own path to success. Basically choose whichever plan you are more comfortable with. If you don't have any money, you can go with their standard plan. But if you have some money to spend, well then you should definitely go with their plus plan. So now from over here, you can basically see what you will find in their plus plan. So in Etsy plus plan, you can stand out with new ways to customize your shop. You can tell shoppers your items are back in stock. You can find your bonus listing and advertising credits. You can send customers to your own web address as well. And similarly, scrolling down, you have all these other features too if you want to explore more as to how you can succeed on Etsy. And you have the frequently asked questions over here, which you can explore. And then obviously you can simply open your Etsy shop in just a few seconds by clicking on this particular button. So if I were to click here, that is going to take me over here. And then now from over here, you can choose your shop language, your shop country, shop currency, and then also why are you using Etsy. If you want to do this part-time, choose any one of these two options. And if you're doing this full-time, well then simply choose this particular option. So I'm going to basically just simply select a few options and then proceed forward to show you how it works. So I'm going to click on save and continue. Now it's going to ask me for my shop name. So I'm going to choose shop 69 store. And then after that, I can basically see I can add a listing. So if I were to click on add a listing, that is going to take me over to the listings option. So you have a wide variety of options through which you can add your listing. You can add primary photos, every angle photos, details in use, size and scale, and everything to make sure that your product is actually portrayed the way it deserves to be portrayed. And then below that, you can also add a video, listing details. You have the product partners if you have any, and then also the pricing and the inventory and how many products do you have left and all that good stuff. And then similarly, you have the delivery, you have the item weight, the preview postage price. So all that is present over here, and you can take full advantage from that. So I'm going to leave Etsy here because once you have done all of this, you will be able to see shops like this. For example, if I were to open the anniversary gifts. And if I were to open up this listing, so this listing is how your product is going to look like. Basically, if you add all the different options, so like scrolling down, we can see some more options, and we even have reviews as well. So like this product looks really nice, and products like these really sell. And similarly, always try to target a product that you think is going to sell well, because if it doesn't sell well, then it doesn't make sense for it to exist on the store. So find products that you think are going to be good sellers and sell them. Now coming on to eBay. So eBay is pretty much the same. So for example, if I were to open up a listing on eBay, I can see all the different options like I saw previously on Etsy, and then basically pictures. And all of these pictures are similar to how Etsy presents their products, but Etsy's presentations are a bit more elegant in a way, in my opinion, but still it depends upon the person's taste. So from over here, you can simply take a look at the listing, how it looks. And then if you want to sell, click on the top right, click on sell. And then from over here, you will firstly have to list your item. You will get seller protection, and then you can choose when you get paid. And then scrolling down, you can basically create a great listing. You can take high quality photos. You can pick up purchase format, set the right price, ship with ease, and all of that good stuff is handled by Etsy. So now from over here, you can basically click on list an item, and they are going to let you list an item on eBay. So from over here, basically type in what you want to sell. So for example, if I type in shoe, I can choose shoe men, and then I'm going to click on search. So once I click on search, well, after that, it is going to show me all the different options that are available. So I'm going to basically choose a brand from over here. So once I choose a brand, then I'll have to choose all the different options. And once I choose all these options, I'll have a listing like the one I showed you in the start. So like it is pretty much the same thing. Very easy. Again, if you are a brand and if you want to have a brand presence, always choose Etsy, in my opinion. But if you want to sell everything, basically wholesale selling, if you want to flip things, if you want to flip Pokemon cards, mugs, cups, collectibles, or anything like that, always go with eBay. Etsy is more brand oriented, and whereas eBay is more focused on just basically selling or reselling. Because guys, like in times of COVID, when there is just so much going on, like people are literally losing everything that they had, every single thing. So for you to like go out and do these methods, try out these different applications, try out these different websites, is really groundbreaking, because not only does it allow you to become a savior for your friends and family, because in these difficult times everybody needs a job, but also it helps you to like make a living for yourself and earn some additional money for yourself, so that you guys can also achieve your financial goals, whether that be buying a Lamborghini, whether that be buying your own motorcycle, whether that be helping someone else. It all depends upon you, but my job is to make sure you guys get resources, get ways to monetize your time online, because that is what we want ultimately, and that is our end goal from this channel. So guys, all in all, if you guys face any confusion, you guys know how you guys can reach out to me through the comment section down below, because I respond to all the comments who really want help, and I will guide you till the end, until and unless you guys understand every single thing. So guys, do not hesitate to reach out to me. So guys, I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and till next time, goodbye.